Hello friends, this is Dr. N. Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a small video to show the growing of 5 fast growing greens like coriander, sorrels, amaranth, spinach, etc. at home. In my previous video, I have shown how to start growing these greens from seeds. And after 3 weeks time, this is how they have grown. Usually, when we get these from shop, thorough cleaning procedures have to be followed as they may be grown in riversides or in unhygienic conditions. To avoid this, we can grow our own greens at home easily. What all they require is just a loamy soil with manure or coco peat, morning sunlight which is not too hot, and keeping the soil moist all the time. You can see the coriander has sprouted late, therefore, it may take another 10 to 12 days for its first harvest. And then we can see the green sorrel, it's almost ready for harvest in another week's time. And some of the seeds sprout fast but grow slow. So these are the red sorrel, which have sprouted fast but growing slow. These also may take another 10 to 12 days for harvest. And these are the amaranth seedlings, which have grown fast and almost ready for harvest in another week. And these are the spinach seedlings, almost ready for harvest in the next week. So this is the fully grown sorrel plant which is almost ready for harvest. So dear friends, after 10 to 12 days time, I'd be showing you another video of how to do the harvesting of these greens. You can do the second harvesting and third harvesting also using the same plants. You cut them properly. Hope this video is informative. And the beginners can just start with growing these greens because they are easy to grow and give a lot of satisfaction when we grow them. This is all for now. I'll be back with the next video on harvesting. Thank you.